our planet and the animals who inhabit it. What will we discover when we journey into the wild?
ಅವು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೊಡಿತವೆ.
All right, hello everybody. Hi, hello. Yes. Now you guys doing okay? Yeah, good. All right, now welcome to the Shaw Foundation Amphitheater and to our program Into the Wild. Yes, my name is Asher and I love life. Well, just like all of you right here today, I've traveled through busy roads, through noisy traffic and crowds of people just to be here in the Singapore Zoo. And to join my friend, Levin, into sharing some animal stories with you.
Hi everyone!
Hi.
My name is Levin and I'm an animal trainer right here at the Singapore Zoo. You're about to meet animals from Asia, Africa and South America. So keep your eyes open because they'll be coming from all around you. Now tell me, are you ready to venture into the wild?
Yes.
Alright. So speaking of that, we've got quite a couple of animals for you guys here today. Apart from the Indian crested porcupine right there. Next, you guys see her walking down from the center. That is our ring-tailed lemur and her name is Eva. Alright, so today she will be joining us at the bottom of the stage. The porcupines are a bit distracting to Eva, but not to worry. There she goes. After a few moments, she will be heading down. Right, so when she does that, if you guys notice, look at that stripy black and white tail. Now, that tail is very important for lemurs as it helps them to balance on trees and tree vines. It is also a unique tool as they help them to stick together when they are in groups. There she is, alright. Now, Eva will be going over to this side as well. So if you have the opportunity to take as much photos, please go ahead and do so, because I don't think you'll be finding lemurs this close as well.
Now what Ellen, your trainer, is using, she's using 3 tools, the clicker, the target, which is the orange stick that she's holding onto, and the whistle. These are parts of our training. This is part of how we do our training, and it is to communicate to the animal what we want them to do. So now Eva will be coming back over here. Alright. Now ring-tailed lemurs, like Hashim mentioned, are capable of jumping up to 3 times their height. And today, Ellen will try to demonstrate to us if Eva wants to do that.
Alright, now we'll see the test of their agility using their hind legs.
How about horizontal line?
Yes, using those hind legs to evade themselves from predators. Alright, now ring-tailed lemurs, they are an endangered species out in the wild and they are continuing to decline due to things such as habitat loss and even illegal wildlife pet trade. But I think Eva over here did a very good job for us here today to let us all give the animals that appeared a big round of applause.
By the way, today is Eva's first day back on show and I think she did an amazing job. Now let's just move on to our other animals. Animals have many specialized skills or adaptations that we humans do not. For example, if we want to dig up the soil to plant some seeds, we need tools. But the next species of animal we're about to meet comes equipped with physical features that make them masters at digging, rooting, and foraging the ground.
Alright, so next, everyone here, you guys gotta be very quiet because next animal is a very shy and elusive species. Now, not much is actually known about them, but what we do know is that they like to dig tunnels and burrows for themselves to hide in. Right, so let's see if they will make an appearance for us here today. They come all the way from Southeast Asia and they're also black and white in color. Right, so let's all see if they will join us today. Now they will be coming out from that cave over there So let's just keep a sharp eye. Levin, do you see any of them coming out?
Actually, I think I see him coming out.
Ah, alright, okay,
Is
so
that him? Is that him you're talking
this is not
about?
the animal. Resign. Okay, but I think behind him, wait.
Behind the gorilla.
Behind the gorilla. There he goes. You guys can see. That is our creator of Badger. That is Marshall. And he also has a brother called John. But I think it seems like today he will not be coming for us today. Right, now, like I mentioned earlier, they are very shy and elusive. But what we do know about them is that black and white fur is actually a